Hi, this is Adrian Larson, President of Pathlight Investors, here with your Pathlight Insight. And today we want to talk about the ever-changing and evolving global energy market. Now, we live in a world of conflicts. They seem to pop up all the time. And in fact, we've got two large conflicts raging right now in the form of continued Middle East tensions, ISIS in Iraq and Syria, our continued involvement in both Afghanistan and Iraq, troubles in Libya, just to name a few around that region. But also the Russian-Ukrainian conflict, which seems to rise and fall, ebb and flow on a daily basis, but Russia being a large oil producer as well. But what we aren't seeing, and the change that's taking place now, is we are not seeing the spikes in oil prices and gasoline prices that we have in the past. In fact, we're seeing the complete opposite. Since mid-June, the price of crude oil is actually down 13%, and the price of the average price of a gallon of gasoline is actually down 7% over the same time frame. We actually are seeing this because of this continued U.S. renaissance in the energy space, this shale oil and gas revolution that continues to gain steam. Production levels in the United States are going to rise, projected, from 2008 level of 5 million barrels a day to what should be roughly 8.6 million barrels per day in 2014, a 72% increase. We're looking at a situation where we, just in 2002, we're importing 60% of our oil, and in 2015 we're actually expected to only be importing 21%. So we're becoming more energy self-sufficient in the United States, and that is actually insulating the oil market from these global shocks. Now, the Middle East is still going to control pricing, and the price of oil is fungible. It takes place all throughout the world. So you wouldn't expect a massive decline in oil prices down to $30 a barrel as production continues to rise in the U.S. But what we should continue to avoid as we go forward is spikes in the price of oil as more of these regional conflicts continue to pop up. If you have any questions, please go ahead and give us a call. Take care.